Yeah, just in the last few hours, several major U.S. companies have announced that they will require their workers to be vaccinated fully as a condition of their employment. For some companies, they're saying it is the difference between being closed and having to stay open. At one of the most exclusive restaurants in Chicago, Evers, fine dining includes a main course and vaccinations and masking for employees.
Employers are bringing back a lot of their employees.
Today, New York City became the first major American city to require proof of COVID-19 vaccination for indoor dining and gyms.
I am approving a far-reaching public health order mandating that all city employees, as well as private sector workers in high-risk settings, be required to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 by September 30.
In Denver, the mayor there announcing vaccination requirements affecting tens of thousands of workers, and they're not alone. More than a dozen big companies are requiring their employees, at least those working in the office, to provide proof of vaccination, Microsoft and Tyson Foods being the latest. In Chicago, real estate developer Related Midwest is requiring all of its workers to receive at least their first dose of the vaccine by August 31st or look for another job. A company spokesperson telling WGN in a statement, quote, "The goal is to keep employees and their families safe as they are back in the office."
Everybody all the time thinks everything that's medical confidentiality is HIPAA, and it's not.
Employment attorney Robert Dustin says while employers cannot ask for personal medical information, they can require proof of vaccination for continued employment.
Proof of vaccination is really analogous to you must be this high to ride this ride. And it's one of those uniform entry requirements done for health and safety that are permissible for a business under ADA Title III.
For those trying to balance the ever-changing environment and rules for COVID,
I think it's a good idea for the companies to require that for sure.
it is understandable on many viewpoints.
I feel safer about it personally. I am vaccinated, so I feel safer about it. I feel safer going to the gym and stuff and returning back to normal life. But I definitely do see how some people don't feel as happy about it because now private companies are telling them what to do, and that obviously could be a very slippery slope.
Back to a moment for that announcement just a few hours ago from New York City about vaccination requirements for indoor dining and gyms. We reached out to Mayor Lightfoot's office to see if that is the discussion here in the city of Chicago. So far, we have not heard back. We are live in Fulton Market. Sean Lewis, WGN News.